What is going on, everybody? Man, Micah's back with another video. Back here, I know it's been a little while. I've been moving today. I got most of the stuff unpacked in the house, as you guys can see. I got a lot of stuff that I kind of still have to situate over here. This is just kind of like the interim in terms of the new setup. I will be standing now. I will be having a standing desk. Just get some of that out the way. Yes, we are here to talk about the Google Pixel. I don't know which one I have yet, but shout out to Team Pixel. Gift from Google, all that good stuff. I have a box here. We're gonna go quickly through it because my battery's also about to die. Of course, get a letter here. You guys could probably see that. Yep, it's the embargo, but it's past the 12, so we ain't gotta worry about that. So the first thing I got in the bag here is a nice black bag. And I don't know what's in here yet. I did a good job holding back from looking in here. And I have, okay, the Google Pixel Watch LTE. Get the focus on it, as you guys can see there. Oh, yes, oh. It looks like it's the gold one. I got that gold one. Hey, this was my first gold watch too, by the way. So I do have that. Excuse the echo too, because I don't have anything in here, so it's just pure echo. And I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro right here. This is the hazel, which I'm cool with, because it was between this and the white one that I would have loved to see. So that was in the black bag, in this here, bag. But then I have another bag, the Google Pixel Collection. So maybe they sent me a couple devices out. Shout out to Google. I haven't opened it yet. There's some heft to it. So, without further ado, I believe you slide. Oh, it's magnetic. So, upon opening this here, ta-da! Oh, shoot, they got a mirror. Oh, shoot. Look at that mirror. Y'all can see me. It says Team Pixel, baby. Hashtag Team Pixel. And the letter, of course, says, we hope you love your limited edition Google Pixel Collection Kit. We had a blast putting it together for you. If you like everything as much as we do, why not use that shiny new Pixel 7 Pro to share your experience on social? And if you need any support, just scan the QR code on the outside of the box for access to your VIP concierge. We're here to help. Happy unboxing, Google Pixel, and hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag gift from Google at Google Pixel US. So shout out to Google for all this great jazz here. I'm going to move this box so I can put this down in front of me now. I do see another device in here. I don't know what it is yet, you know what I'm saying? I am officially switching over ecosystems for now. So I will be changing ecosystems. I will remove my my Galaxy Watch 4, and I will be taking the SIM out of my Z Flip 4. I definitely know my Ultra is going to get replaced by the 7 Pro at minimum. Will it be able to replace this Flip? We'll see. But for now, we'll be changing ecosystem. Maybe I'll get a pair of Pixel Buds Pro as well. Now, upon removing this here, stay here. Okay. Got this cloth here. Oh, okay, so there's one device. They just took it out of the box for me and put it in the case. If I can just pull this, am I supposed to pull it out? Here it is, guys. Oh, it's clean. Oh, shoot. Yo, it looks so good in person. The gold is wraps around and is flush with the frame, and it is gold, as you guys can see there. And that it is kind of like a mint green gray look. Kind of reminds me of the Z Fold 4's green gray or gray green, whatever they call it. But that gold is so pure on it, you know what I'm saying? And then we have the Pixel Watch, the gold. Ooh. Yes, y'all see that right there? Y'all see that gold right there? Just clean. And it's bigger and smaller at the same time in person. So it's kind of hard to, really showcase the size. It is 41 millimeters. Now, it also does feel more traditional watch sized. I am used to the 46 mil or 44 mil with the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and with the Galaxy Watch 4. So upon removing that, I will put this on real quick. Taking the watch off, I will show you guys that as well. But I do wear my watch. Oh, I gotta actually switch sides with this then. As long as this doesn't die, All right, so it's gonna be fun trying to remove this. I thought it was gonna be better. We'll see. And the way they have it on right now, I'll just put it like this. But when I come back to you guys, oh wow, I need the entire. Okay, maybe not the entire. I'm gonna go number 2. All right, number 2. So it's not badly shaped on the, my bad. It's not badly shaped on the wrist. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's actually not bad. I do have smaller wrists as well, so it does sit fine. I'm just used to the bigger size. The silicone band you get, it feels good, feels premium. I probably could put it in the last notch to really snug it to my wrist. Yeah, that's a lot better. So one of the things I am going to miss already from my Galaxy Watch series is the auto workout detection, something that they don't have on. Oh, that's too tight now. Okay, I'm good. Number 2. Yep. Once I slide this piece in, now there we go. That's the one feature I'm gonna miss, is that. So we'll see if I end up, having that. If it really becomes a big deal in terms of workouts. But at worst case scenario, I wear this as a daily fitness. I can rock my Galaxy Fit 2 or my Galaxy Watch 4 series. So, wow, guys. Okay, how do you take this off the screen here? There we go. You just peel it off. Woo! Yo! Oh, it feels good. It feels good, guys. So yes, this is my unboxing and very first initial impressions, hands-on, of the of the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Of course, we get the trifecta of cameras, improved cameras even over the Pixel 7. We got that telephoto, we got that beautiful improved super red zoom, and its ability to essentially kind of crop in but still maintain clarity with computational photography at work in the background. That Tensor G2 at work do a lot of that. The object eraser, of course, the blur, one of the features I'm looking forward to really seeing if that works. And of course, that lovely Googleness, especially with their cinematic mode in terms of video, because I've seen impressions of it and it looks very promising. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna pop my sim in, set it up, and I'll come back to you, hours after use case or the next day. I'll make sure to come in here and record that for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section below. You guys Team Pixel, you guys interested in the Pixel series, the devices, the Pixel Watch? Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about Google this year with the Pixel 7 series. I think they're doing wonders. I think they're doing a very good job of improving year over year and really staying true to their character, their class, and that is photography is a beast, maintenance, sustainability in a device, and hopefully less bugs, based off what I heard with the Pixel 6 series last year. So again, hey, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos. So sit back, chillax, see what's cracking with your man Micah, signing out. Until the next video, wait for